What is up, besties? Y'all, I'm so excited. We are in a new area. This is my first hair review in the new house. So your girl's excited, okay? Nothing really too spectacular in the background or whatever. It's just a new area, a new vibe. You already know. But anyways, guys, I do want to give a huge shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I've worked with them for many, many years, okay? So Nadula has a brand new pre-cut glueless wig, baby. It's pre-cut, it is pre-plucked. You pop it on your head and you out the door, okay? Who would not want that? We ain't got time to be gluing wigs down, trying to make it melt and trying to make everything blend, spending $300–400 at the hair salon. No, Nadula has you covered. Of course, you get your box. So you do get a ton of goodies. You get hair cap, a whole satin robe, yes, wig band, lashes, a carrying bag, everything that you need. And then of course, here's the unit. So we are playing with color today. I got me a nice curly unit. This is Brazilian hair. It is 24 inches. The full details of the unit will be down below. The link straight to this unit will be down below as well. And you guys already know, Nadula always gives us a coupon code so we can save some money. So guys, I'm gonna show you this wig in real time. Literally me taking it out the bag, getting all the wrapping, taken off of it. I'm just gonna show you guys just how quick this is about to be. And I'm about to be on my way. Pre-cut, pre-plucked. You don't have to do anything. I mean, if you wanted to go in and do a little bit more snipping, you could. But girl, you don't need to. There's also a band on the inside so you can have extra security. You do have this amount of lace. It already comes parted down the middle. And this is the beautiful color. So let's go ahead and pop her on. Okay, let's take this off. Your girl already has her wig cap on, hair braided down. I'm gonna adjust the wig to make it a little bit tighter. The wig also has this rubber gripping around the perimeter of it for even more security, and combs as well. So you guys know that I usually wear a wig band on my glueless wigs. You do not need that with this unit. Nadula has you covered all the way around. So I put my wigs on literally like a hat. I put it on from back to front. Just get it adjusted to where you want it. Right there. The color looks good on you, girl. Is she giving a young Beyonce? No, an old Beyonce. Oh, okay. Yes. So this is how it looks, literally with no product, not holding it down, no makeup on the lace, nothing. This is how it looks, and it looks good. If I might say so myself, I feel comfortable leaving out the house just like this, but I am gonna put just a little bit of powder right here on the lace, just because that's what I always do. So I got my powder here. It's just my regular everyday powder. And I'm just dabbing the smallest amount just right along the lace. And voila, just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you are done. I could put product in this hair if I want to, but I'm loving the natural curl pattern of this hair. If I was to put product in here, of course, y'all know me, I would just use a little bit of oil, mousse, and water. This does not need it. This looks good. Let's do the lift, completely glueless. Bring it right on back down, adjust it right back in place, and baby, we're good to go. This is that wig for the girlies who do not like a wig glued down, who wants to take their wig off every single night, who wants to change out their wigs on a regular basis. This is the wig for you. Like I said, all of the details of this unit will be down below, as well as a coupon code. You guys check out Nadula Hair. This is the wig, of course, that I recommend, because who doesn't want an easy breezy wig to pop on, pop off? It's the summertime, it's hot, so if you get tired of it, you can just take off, bam, and put it right back down. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, okay? So you guys check out Nadula. Thank you so much to them for sending me this fun wig. Now, baby, I'm ready for the day, okay?